And so here again, I listed the amount that is owed and then the minimum that needs to be paid each time, and then how much you're going to pay. When you're looking at your budget, if you can find more than $100, you should. And that way you can throw as much money as you can on your debt so that you can quickly and quietly get debt free. The reason why I say quietly get debt free is because you don't want to tell too many people, because you don't want them to ask you, okay, how's it going with that debt-free journey that you're on? You don't want people to ask you that until you're done. You want to be able to celebrate and tell them about it. So here, once again, the debt snowball. There's a $150 payment. $150 balance. Then the minimum payment is $50. So you're going to pay $50 plus $100, and that's going to make it $150. And that's going to automatically eliminate this first debt. So this debt is going to go away. But you're going to take that $150 that you were paying, and you're going to add it to this next debt. So here, this debt is $425, and you're going to pay that $50 plus the $150 that you were paying, and that's going to make that a total of $200. So you're going to have $200 that you're going to pay for this. So you can be able to do this in two times or two payments. Because if you do $200 and $200, that's $400. So you can certainly find $25 somewhere to pay for, to eliminate this debt. Then you're going to take this $200 and you're going to move it down here. This is the $800 debt. So you've got your minimum payment of $100, and then you're going to put the $200, and that's going to make that a $300 payment. So your payments are getting higher. $150, then $200, now $300. Then you are going to move this amount that you're paying down to the very last debt. The last debt is that car payment of $3,000. You're going to pay your $337 payment plus the $300 that came from here, because you were paying $300. So now you're paying $300 plus $337. And that's going to make that a total of $637. So you're going to pay that $637 each time until you eliminate that $3,000 payment. This is the debt snowball. If you like what you heard, would you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'm going to be the debt-free teacher who is quietly being debt-free. Quietly be debt-free. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.